Hey fashion flies, welcome back to my channel. That's so Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know, and today we are going to sew. And what we're going to be sewing, we're going to be doing a thrifted transformation on this dress. And I really like this dress. I got it from Forever 21 a while ago. I love the color.
Fabulous. Going with the wind, fabulous. Okay?
But as you can see, I am tall and this dress is really short. Now, if this was a fitted dress, I would keep it because, it would just, be more comfortable for me. The reason why it's not comfortable is because this is a very springtime dress. And when it's windy, this kind of flows and I get exposed. You don't want to be wearing something where you get exposed or you have to worry about at some point being exposed. No. So I'm going to change it to this very cute abstract top that I saw on Pinterest. At the moment while I'm recording this, I don't remember the name of the brand that originally did this shirt. I want to give them credit because I don't want that karma, And I thought it was a very cute and cool top. I haven't seen it. That was like my first time seeing it ever on Pinterest. And I thought this color and this material, which is like stretchy jersey material, would look really great with that top. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Oh, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can come back for more. And if you're already a fashion fly, thank you for coming back, and let's get into the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is make your pattern. I freehanded this pattern on some muslin with a pen, and I kind of just looked at the picture and just did like a freehand draw of it. It works for me. After that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the skirt part of the dress. Alright, so in this scene here, I'm cutting the back part of the dress open, which after all, you'll see that I should have just left it alone. But I'm going to go ahead and lay out the dress and pin together the pattern with the fabric and cut it out. As you can see, the remainder pieces are too small for the pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and pin those pieces back where they should have left, honey. I should have just sat there and ate my food and do a straight stitch down. Once the fabrics are connected and they're like, dating or whatever, we're going to go ahead and cut out the pattern and move on to the next step. Welcome to the next step. And the next step is just going to sew a zigzag stitch down the side seams of the top. Because this fabric does not fray, all you have to do is fold back the edge and do a zigzag stitch down each raw edge, including the middle piece. Once that's done, you're just going to connect each shoulder piece and you're going to do a zigzag stitch or straight stitch and hem the bottom with a zigzag stitch, and we're done. Alright, fashion fly, so this is the finished top. I think it's so cute. I do have some conundrums that happened, as you saw. Because of how the skirt was sewed, I had to have two pieces together, which is the seam you see in the back. If I was using just fabric that I straight up bought, none of that would be here. Another conundrum is that due to quarantine, obviously I can't just go to the fabric store and get some more thread, so I had to use my white thread on top of the lavender, which I wish I would have been able to use a matching thread. It would have just looked cleaner or just better in my opinion. I decided to pair it with this nice plaid skirt because I thought it would just be nice, cute, and chic. This could be worn with some nude heels, keep it casual.
I wanna be on top. I wanna be on top.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, bye.